Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic is on HVAC and we are going to look at 8 most common problems in HVAC system. Very important video, lot of learnings can be taken from this video. Let us look at 8 most common HVAC problems. The first one is lack of maintenance. So proper maintenance of HVAC system is very important for it to run efficiently and effectively. This will avoid a lot of headaches from the systems, because when HVAC systems are not maintained, the air ducts accumulate a lot of dust, the controls don't work properly, the entire system needs oiling, needs maintenance so that it will take care of all the issues of the system. So this is the first important problems which you face in HVAC system. These are the benefits of regular maintenance. It extends the life of the HVAC system. Regular maintenance can give you maximum efficiency in terms of its working as well as the energy consumption which it consumes, because HVAC system is energy guzzler. Regular maintenance also can help you to have fewer breakdowns, and the cost associated to breakdowns is huge, hence we can prevent it, and these are some of the important benefits of HVAC system maintenance. The second thing which we always find, even at our home air conditioners, this home air conditioner is just in right side of me, the dirty filters. This affects the airflow, this affects the indoor air quality, which is very important, and we have seen why it is important in COVID times. It also affects the system lives and the efficiency, because the filter gets clogged, system has to work, so it has to overcome that static, and that will consume lot of energy, and for that system has to work little more, and that will have impact on the life of the system. The third important problem which you face is thermostat malfunctioning. This is the regular thing. Now there are a lot of electronic digital thermostats available, but we find that these don't work when it is required. So it is very important to go to that manual. Don't throw that manual up. Lot of troubleshooting solutions rather, are given in that manual that will help you to take care of this issue. The fourth problem is mechanical wear and tear. Our air conditioning system has got a lot of components. Most of them are rotary components. They're rotating components, compressors, the motors, the blowers, the pumps. These are all rotating components, and that is going through wear and tear similar to our automobile. So a lot of requirements for changing of the belts, the bearings, the rotors, the oiling of the components are required to take care of this. So regular maintenance can help this to reduce little bit of this. The fifth problem is unusual noise, and this is a major issue in major air conditioning system. So this could be because of the design, this could be because of the location of the equipment which is very close to sensitive areas, this could be issues because of failure of components. It will give you warning. And the other important thing, as I said in the previous slide, since there are many rotating components, they generate noise, and if they transfer the noise through the interconnecting joints or interconnecting medians, the noise gets transferred and it is very difficult to absorb. This is the fifth important problem in HVAC system. The sixth one is again the dirty condenser and evaporator coil. When I talk about condenser, go and check your outdoor unit and you'll find your entire coil is dirty. This is major problem. Similarly, open up your inside unit and you'll find your coils are dirty. This is because the regular maintenance is ignored. Area is not clean where the units are installed, and hence if we have to see that the area needs to be cleaned, there has to be regular maintenance and there has to be regular coil cleaning. And this is because smallest particle can go and attack these coils. You can see over here full of dirt. The system will start underperforming and it will give away after some time. The seventh issue or the problem is water leaks. Leakage from the water pipes. If they are not tested properly, there is some flange leak or something else. A gasket is getting away, that leads to a leakage. Second leakage is a drain pipe. You will always find this is a major leakage. Drain pipe from the air handling unit. You can see a person over here sitting below the unit. Drain pipe leaks and it goes on top of his head. The leakage from the drain is also due to filter clogging. This is one of the important causes for leakages. So, seventh issue. The eighth issue is electrical problems. You'll always find there's a tripping because of overloads. There are tripping on safety. So, these are some of the electrical issues which needs to be resolved by a licensed electrician. If you go and put your hand inside, it will be a disastrous. So these are 8 issues related to HVAC system. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much for your patient listening.